Good day, everyone. Learn how to extend C drive on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So you have got the C drive and you have deleted the D drive, but your C drive space is not increased. This tutorial is for you because we are going to extend the C drive. So here I'll open the file explorer. I see out of 409 GB, there are 297, right? So what I'll do is I'll do a right click in the start icon and then I'll go to disk management. So we will open the file explorer and the disk management. Now I will minimize the disk file explorer, and here in the disk management you need to check very carefully what exactly you see there. Do you have any unallocated space or not? If you have unallocated space, this space will be added to the C drive. All right. So we are going to do that. So what I'm going to do is I will do a right click in the C drive where I want to extend. Now I will click on extend volume, and then it will ask you to click on next, the wizard. And here it will automatically give you the space, and I will not do anything right here. I'll just click on next again and I'll click on finish. And the moment I do it, you can see the unallocated space has been gone and it has been added to the C drive. You can see now it is 459 GB. Now if I'll go back to my here, I can see it is 458. So we have successfully extended the C drive. Now the condition is, guys, there should be an unallocated space in your disk management. If there is no unallocated space, then you won't be able to extend your C drive. All right, so keep that in mind. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.